Morning, you lovely lot. Oh, how you all doing? The camera keeps steaming up because I just boiled the kettle before putting the heating on, which probably wasn't the smartest thing. Let's open the window. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I'll show you this spot in a minute. I love waking up here on a sunny day. It's so nice. You already seen this on the drone yesterday, so I'm not going to do it again. Just been watching Darren's video with Mevy. I don't know if you follow those guys. Yeah, Darren's the urban motorhome. Does like a motorhome Mondays thing. I've been watching it. It's pretty fun to watch. Cool, it's fresh. Sat up here for a while. It's been miserable. This is like my ultimate. You know, people do these stupid morning routine videos. This is mine. I just wake up, make a coffee, sit on the roof and have a look. None of this making avocados and all of that shit. It's gorgeous. I love it here. I mean, yeah, it's not mountains and, you know, all of that kind of thing, but it's home at the end of the day. It's where I grew up. Little Ash never knew that 27-year-old Ash would be sitting on the road here in a van that he now lives in. Oh my god, I love life. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's so random. Throwing around in his sheep, look. Hear the sound of them. Look at him. Oh, you know what? That right there, I promise I'm not making this up, that could not segue any more perfectly into what I'm going to say next. I had the job comment come through again, which I've had a lot, as you can probably imagine. Some people don't get what I'm doing, some people are just salty because they don't like their job, whatever. But at the end of the day, where I am now, what I'm doing, all of this is a choice. I am choosing to do this. I think I've mentioned it on this channel before, maybe on Instagram definitely, but you know, I am a photographer and I used to earn a lot of money doing it, and before that I've had like normal jobs. I was a mechanic for a long time. I did building work, worked with kitchens and bathrooms and all sorts of things. I've had jobs all my life. I'm not just some, you know, one of these people that leave school and sponge off everyone. I've had jobs, I've paid my way, but now I'm choosing to live differently, and I'm allowed to do that. Everyone's in charge of their own life. You can do whatever you want, and by doing that, by minimising everything, by moving into this van, I can live a lot cheaply. So my monthly outgoings at the minute, like my fixed bills, if you like, the ones that I would get in trouble if I didn't pay, is about £250. £135 of that is my goddamn car, which I can't get rid of because obviously it's on finance and you can't sell it while it's on finance, blah blah blah. Scratching that, £115 would be my monthly, so that's like insurance, tax, all of that. So that's not including obviously fuel and food and that, because those things can be as little or as much as you want them to be. My actual bills that would be in place of either rent or mortgage or council tax or all of that crap, they're so little, it's a joke. I could probably get a paper round that'd pay for that. But that's good, because that means that I don't have to spend 9 hours a day doing a job just to earn whatever money, just to pay those ridiculous £1,000+ a month bills. I don't have to do that, and you have to realise that everyone has a choice. That's why the sheep, because everyone just does what everyone else does and doesn't think that there could be another option. It took me a long time to figure that out, but I'm very blessed actually that I've come to this conclusion at the age I am, while I'm still fit, young, healthy, and I can do what I want. So by the way, my monthly bills I was saying about, they are completely covered by my photography. So obviously for the years that I've done it, I uploaded to stock websites, that pretty much covers those core bills per month, so I don't have to worry about them. And YouTube pays a little bit as well, it's not a lot. You know, in terms of that kind of stuff, I'm okay. And that's allowed me to pursue this video thing that I'm doing, because it means I don't have to worry about those things. It's really hard to explain to people that aren't on the same plane as me. You know, everyone's brought up to just think job, 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 house, kid, car, wife, blah, you know, mortgage, whatever. I don't care. I'm not judging anybody. I don't think that they're living a worse life than me. I just say that everyone has a choice and you can do what you want. It might be doing this, it might be doing something else. Maybe you want to get rid of everything, put a rucksack on your back and walk around the world. Fine, that is fine. Or maybe you're perfectly happy with your house and your BMW, and that's fine as well. As long as you're happy in your life, that's all that matters. But I wasn't, that's why I decided to change. So how does that relate to the job thing? Well, you may not realise it or not, but these videos are actually a lot of work. All of it, even the upload process itself, getting it on YouTube, doing all the, you know, bump that goes with it, like that's a couple of hours in itself. It takes time. It takes time, and I class it as a job, but I love it, so I don't really care. I'm happy to invest my time in that. That fulfills me. I earn jack shit from it, to be honest with you, so that's not why I do it. And the fact that you lot have been so kind to buy the stickers, all that's going to do is enable me to put fuel in this and go to places that I can explore and take you with me and show you, you know, all of these cool places. That's what it's all about. That's what this channel's all about. One last thing before I end my little speech, if you like. If you've just come onto this channel, because obviously there's a lot of new people here compared to before, strongly encourage you to go back to episode 1 and start from the beginning. From the Lost in Europe, I put the playlist at the end of every video. If you go back and you watch that from the beginning, you'll have a much better understanding of the story and everything, because it's been a while now. I mean, this is spanning, like, going on 2 years worth of footage. There's not a video for every single day, don't worry. I don't expect you to watch 720 videos. If you've just jumped onto this channel from like the recommended or whatever, and you see me offering out these stickers and being like, yeah, not working at the minute, and here, buy a sticker and keep me going, like, I'm gonna look like a right tit. And okay, I get that, but yeah, just go watch it all and see how much work I have put into this thing, and maybe you'll think a bit differently. I hope you will. Maybe after watching it all, you'll just think I'm a complete tosser and go get a life. Whatever, fine. Sheep are on their way over here now. Maybe they're starting to see that actually van life might be a good idea. Yep, I'd say they're converts now. When else can you have this? Right outside your window. How awesome is that? I'm just heading off to go meet someone. I'll try and film what I can. Unfortunately it is dark, so the person I'm going to meet has got the same van as me. However, they've got a pretty outrageous paint job. It looks like a van to me.
I don't know what it is, but I haven't got the balls, you know, to like record yourself. Like, I'd happily done it like a video, building a van, but just I just can't be like that. I don't know.
Yeah, it is a bit weird. I wish I'd recorded mine, but now 8.6 volts.
That's dead, isn't it?
That's like fully dead. So the relay's clicked on, but nothing's coming through.
Not anything through, is it?
No. Yeah, brilliant. That's awesome, man. There you go. Do you want an Instagram plug? Yeah. If you want to see it, go there. Swag. Oh, look at this! That's awesome. It's so weird when I see them. So weird.
Oh yeah, you have to have this. It sounds garbage.
Oh mate.
Because it's like flapping around and not in a box.
That's awesome. You're doing a proper good job on that. Recognise that. That is sweet. Is that like your bathroom there?
Yeah, I love it. It's like a skip now, isn't it? Already, look.
Look at that. That's epic, man.
It's enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just have a wash.
Oh bloody hell, yeah! I've just ripped all mine out.
What do you do now?
I love the plants.
Just makes you feel like home.
There you go. You can actually see now. Awesome.
Saw my sunroof out, got a bit of a leak going on.
Sunroof.
Fucking nightmare.
Oh, you got a hatch as well.
It's one of them that you flick right open, you know, like relics on the house.
Oh,
It's a fucking house, man. It's about 10 kilo.
Bloody hell. This paint job's going to make many people very jealous.
I was on the M25 on the way back from France and it was like, just seen you in your van, and then it's like, what the fuck, who are you? It's just some random people.
Yeah, you can't exactly miss it, can you?
I wanted to play in the snow, but I didn't. I wanted to.
So you got winter camo on there. You gotta go in the snow.
To be honest, you see like this bit, they're all prone to like rotting along there, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
But it was either I spend a lot of money on a paint job or I just cover it.
Yeah. Was it deer?
It automatically takes your eye off it looking at the rest of it, don't it?
Oh yeah. How about that then, folks? That's got to be one of the craziest paint jobs ever. Do you reckon this would look cool with some black camo on it? With the dark green? Do I go that far? Right, I've just been to Aldi, get some basics, and the petrol station. So I can actually drive somewhere. And I think I'm going to now go and see Marie for a bit. Stay down that way. She's not there. Oh, this is no new rubbish in the spot. That's good. Steals my seat, goes on camera. Simple as that.
Come sit with me.